Hey everyone, welcome to this weekly Thursday update. Today is January the 17th. As per usual, this is a series that'll show you sort of behind the scenes and little things you can expect to see from us. And so without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that's it for this week. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and as per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.